Welcome to week 27 of Where Am I Investing? In the past 26 weeks, I invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focused 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Since I invested in these funds, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 12%, Bandhan Small Cap Fund is down 7%, HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 5%, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is also up 5%. My overall portfolio is down 7%, and the CAGR stands at negative 18%. To give you some perspective, Sensex has slipped 3% since I started this journey on October 14th, 2024. Coming to this week's investment, I invested in Bandhan Small Cap Fund again this week and kept the investment amount same as week one. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week one, I invested 1000 rupees again this week. Now, why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again, especially when it's already down? That's because small caps often fall the hardest in market corrections. But when recoveries start, they tend to bounce back the fastest. And Bandhan Small Cap Fund is backed by a focused portfolio of growth oriented small cap companies. It may look like a risky bet now, but this is exactly where wealth is created. When others are fearful and valuations are attractive. It is not about predicting the bottom. It's about consistency, conviction, and playing the long game. If you appreciate real investing journeys, not just gains and glamour, smash that like button. Comment below and tell me, are you investing in small cap funds right now? Share this video with someone who's doubting long term investing. And most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss next week's update. Thank you for watching week 27 of Where Am I Investing? I'll see you next week. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This channel documents my personal investment journey for informational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional before making any financial decisions.